Hello everyone, so first we are going to make a dog by using the spelling of the dog. First we are going to write the spelling and then we're gonna join the lines and your dog is ready. Next we are going to make a beautiful butterfly starting by making her wings. We're gonna move ahead towards making her body, then adding the details like eyes, mouth and then adding some more patterns to the body. After it is done, we are going to add some designs on the wing as you can see in the video. After that we are going to color it with different colors. Here we have used pink and purple sketch pen for the wings, and to the body we are using this yellow and orange color pen, and you can see it is completed. Next we are going to make a peacock starting by making the face including the eyes and the beak. We're gonna make the body and then we're gonna make the legs. After it's done, we are going to start making the wings. As you can see, first we are going to make a spiral round shape backwards and then we are going to color it by using green, blue, yellow and orange color, and then your peacock is completed. Next we are going to make two birds joining with each other starting by making the body of the birds and the beaks. We're gonna make the eyes, wings and then you can see it is completed. At last we're gonna make heart at the top.